Good Sunday afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my channel, please click on like. And if you want to subscribe, please do so also. We're going to bust open another 10 packs of Tim Hortons Team Canada hockey cards. Team Canada won today 10-2. Big win. Anyhow, let's see what I get. Robert Thomas, base card. Mario Lemieux, metal card. Chris Letang, base card. Went back to my lucky store today. They got some more cards in. So I also met a guy on Facebook Marketplace today that I've been dealing with for almost 3 years. And we just trade and we help each other finish our sets and stuff. So he was telling me the Wayne Gretzky number 30 base card is very hard to get. And like you only get one per box, he was saying. Because he opened a couple boxes and he said that's the short print in the boxes. So keep that in mind. Okay, pack number 2. Emily Clark, base card. John Tavares, canvas card. Sam Bennett, base card. Jordan Kyrou, base card. Carey Price, metal card. Morgan Riley, base card. Trust me, I don't need any more metal cards. That seems all I get is metal, metal, metal. Too bad they weren't real gold. I could cash them in. Connor Bernard, base card. Oh, this is good because I don't have this one. A duo, I got a duo. Matthew Barzal and Bo Horvat. That's duo number CO10. Dylan Strome, base card. If I could pull a Maple Leaf, that'd be awesome. The guy who, the boy who sold me the cards, he's the one where I got the good packs last week. So let's see. This is pack number 4. We're opening. Aaron Ambrose, base card. Logan Stokoven, metal card. I should know how to say that name. I have so many of them. Sean Couture, base card. I heard a couple of the restaurants, the Tim's, is running out of cards, so maybe keep that in mind. Okay, this is pack number 6. Nathan McKinnon, base card. Macklin Celebrini, canvas. Wyatt Johnson, base card. Pack number 7. Evan Bouchard, base card. Logan Thompson, Northern Stars. And Brandon Point, base card. Pack number 8. Ryan O'Reilly, base card. Emily Clark, metal card. Samuel Maltenbolt, base card. I find you get a lot of the same base cards, and I don't understand. Number 23, Jamie Benn, is a very hard card to pull too. That's what he was telling me today. That's just the base card. Oh, maybe I got something good here. I don't know. Okay, here we go. No. Scott Niedermeyer, base card. Patrick Waugh, Northern Stars. Brandon Hagel, base card. Well, at least I didn't get any. I better not say anything. Just wait. Last pack. Here we go. Pack number 10. John Tavares, base card. Jordan Bingman, Northern Stars. Adam Fatilli, base card. So that's my 10 packs. I may go buy 10 more packs today. I don't know. They got 2 full new boxes, so at least I got a duel. That was the best thing I got. So thanks for watching my channel once again, and take care. Have a good day, and maybe I'll see you later on today, or I will see you tomorrow.